Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we are here test driving stock number D20870. It's a smooth running and low hour Raymond 640-C40TT is the model. It's a 4,000 pound stand-up counterbalance forklift with a 3-stage mast. It does approximately 188 inch max lift height. This unit is equipped with side shift. Got a good tested 36-volt battery and charger included. Like new polyurethane tires, traction as well. Wade's gonna run it up for us real fast. This unit's had recent repairs plus a tune-up, fresh PM service, new paint job. Ready to get to work. You can check out this forklift at either store in Denver or Fort Collins or online at embeddedforklift.com. We appreciate the time. Thank you for watching.